Zamboanga City Mayor Maria Isabel Climaco Salazar has issued an executive order implementing a strict border to control the ban of bird flu cases of all species of live birds, poultry, and non-poultry including day-old chicks, pullet, salted eggs in Luzon provinces. Mayor Climaco Salazar already signed the Executive Order 720 on March 16, 2022, mandating the temporary ban on the entry of live birds in the city from March 16 to April 15, 2022. In addition, Salazar reports a number of provinces in Luzon such as Laguna and Camarines Sur had also recorded confirmed cases of bird flu avian influenza, while some provinces were still under surveillance and testing. Furthermore, residents are also advised to avoid contact with resident, wild and migratory birds in their area and not to consume poultry, ducks, quails that have died. For Golden Nation Network, this is Nina Ongpauko.